Hip-hop shit running through my veins 24/7 a day. That's what we do. Hey yo, it's time for us to resurrect the microphone and kill it. We keep pushing ourselves because we like to know our limits, how far that we can stretch them, apply the laws of physics, see how far that I can bend them. When I'm writing quantum lyrics, I'm enlarging my momentum, sharpen the spectrum. My sentences are like kitanas, cause they're carved to perfection. I'm bringing food for thought. The crowd is starved like a peasant, there's hardly a message in rap. We're far from the essence, and nowadays it's about marketing. But like the American prison system, I tend to use my bars as a weapon to get rid of this empty-minded garbage selling in stores. You need to rest assured, my metaphors are ready for war. My crew is standing next to me, developing force. We draw our energy from an identical source. We try to shape a message into an intelligent form that people look in the eye of an intellectual storm. And I'm just warning, don't play with us, it's dangerous. Like when the devil's trying to pass you angel dust. But if you show respect, we'll act upon it mutually. We like to battle rap, but after that we're seeking unity. The scene is soon going to be a huge community, so let's build it together. It is better if we move in team. We don't invest in lunacy, it's not debatable. We invest in beautiful music that's inspirational. We invest in beautiful music that's inspirational 24/7 a day. Hip-hop is in my body, in my soul, in my mind.